Hi, I'm Sean O'Kane with Cadence Design Systems, and I'm at Dolby in San Francisco. And welcome to another edition of Did You Know? Has anyone ever asked you, what does Cadence do? Well, did you know that Cadence helps build the next generation of innovative products that people use every day? Electronics can be found everywhere, in your pocket, in your car, at your workplace, in buildings and homes. And behind this newly connected, application-rich world resides a quiet revolution of semiconductor design and manufacturing. And that's where Cadence resides. Imagine the highest quality audio with clear, powerful sound in the cinema, at home, and on the go. Last year, Cadence and Dolby collaborated to enable the world's first TVs featuring Dolby Atmos Technology using Tensilica HiFi Audio DSP. Now, Cadence and Dolby have unlocked the best quality sound for movies, music, games, and broadcast programs for your PCs, laptops, and tablets. With me today is J.D. Douglas, Senior Product Manager with Dolby Labs.
Hey, Sean.
Hi. So tell us, how do you create this incredible sound experience?
Dolby Atmos is our immersive audio experience where we're able to create breathtaking, detailed audio that moves and flows all around you. It's almost lifelike. We first introduced it in the cinema, and then we brought it to the home and the living room. And now we're enabling Dolby Atmos experiences on mobile devices like PCs. But doing so requires advanced algorithms in order to get that Dolby Atmos sound out of small PC speakers. And we're happy to work with partners like Cadence, who deliver the technology platforms we can implement those advanced algorithms on and create that immersive sound experience out of a PC. So Sean, did you know that when you're enjoying Dolby Atmos audio on your PC, it's using a Tensilica HiFi DSP?
And without Cadence tools and IP, these incredible audio products couldn't be designed quickly with the innovation that you need. Listen for yourself, and you'll be amazed at the difference. Well, now you know.